Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but holds the key to true prosperity. Have you ever stopped to think that the path to real wealth actually starts with your health? Let's kick things off by asking this question. Did you know that the key to true wealth lies in your health? It's a powerful statement that sets the tone for our discussion today. Now, let's talk about the concept of a holistic approach to health and wealth. This approach emphasizes the interconnectedness between our well-being and financial stability. By understanding this relationship, we can achieve a more balanced and fulfilling life overall. One common misconception we often encounter is the belief that health and wealth are separate entities. In reality, they are closely intertwined. To truly prosper, we must address both aspects simultaneously. As we delve deeper into the topic, it becomes clear how physical, mental, and financial well-being all influence each other. By taking a holistic approach, we can improve our overall quality of life and experience greater harmony. The key moment in our discussion is the revelation that by focusing on enhancing both health and wealth together, we can unlock a more fulfilling and balanced existence. It's about acknowledging the synergy between the two and leveraging it for our benefit. In conclusion, adopting a holistic approach to health and wealth offers numerous benefits. It can lead to improved well-being, financial stability, and overall quality of life. By prioritizing both aspects, we set ourselves up for success on all fronts. So, what's next for you? I encourage you to explore more videos on achieving holistic well-being and to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your journey to health and wealth starts now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.